Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access Telegram files through your phone. If you are having problems to access your files while you have downloaded in Telegram, this is the video how you can access them. Go to the Telegram and let's go to this channel over here and click on download. After the file has been downloaded, you can see that there's a 3 button over there. So go ahead and click save to gallery and view to downloads. After this, you can view this file in your gallery. Go to your gallery and you can see that this video is available in your gallery. Now another step to view this file is go to settings and then go to data and storage. Now you can click on storage uses, and if you scroll down a bit you can see that there are channels. Go to media and you can see that you can access these files. Click on the 3 lines and then go to settings. Now go to data and storage, click on storage uses, scroll down, go to media, and then now you can access your Telegram files. This was a video on how you can access Telegram files. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.